Hey guys, what a day today. The Dow ended up over 410 points, S&P up over 53, NASDAQ up over 203 points, led by tech. Just wanted to share with you guys on the screen here. You guys could see what we did today. This is the Trade Challenge account right here. You can see September 28th to September 28th. We started off the day, first thing we closed out was our Apple trade. We closed out a quick $228. We got this trade on Friday, closed it out today. Peloton, we were down $200 on Peloton. That got back up, and I said, you know what? I just rather close it out for a small gain than take a loss on it, because that stock really did have a big climb here in the past few days. So closed out Peloton. And then we ended up closing out our UPS trade first thing this morning as well. We closed that out for a, what was it, 86, I think, 86% gain on UPS here. You can see we bought it for $660, sold it for about $1,200 there. Closed out $538.51 net profit on UPS. And then we heard Space got upgraded to $38 a share. And we made some quick trades on Space, locked in what, 182.75. We locked in a quick $258 on Space there. This is the Trade Challenge account. That's not bad for starting with a small account, 2,500, and now we're up to the point where we can make $1,000 a day profit when we're getting these nice breakouts. So we locked in $1,028.66 on the Trade Challenge account, and then you can see here on SPY. Let's take a look at SPY here. We had a nice climb today. SPY had a beautiful climb. Climbed all day basically. Let me change this to today 1 minute. And you can see we climbed all day until about, until about 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock we started pulling back a little bit, but we ended the day on a high note here. So really positive. We got into another UPS trade with some profits, and that's looking good here as well. That's holding that 169 area. And markets are looking really good, guys. What's leading the markets today is obviously our tech, communication services, and our consumer cyclical stocks here. Financial also looked really well here. We picked up Bank of America calls. That's looking good. If you take a look at a 3-month daily, we got a big climb on Bank of America, JP Morgan, the other financials. And you can see here PepsiCo, PEP. What a climb on PepsiCo. Still climbing there, breaking above that 139, looking good. So great day today, guys. Market had a big breakout. The reason why we had this big breakout today was really because of the continued stimulus talks. So Democrats are passing in the House now. They're expecting to vote on it possibly this week, a $2.4 trillion spending bill, and that's going to include direct payments, again, stimulus checks to Americans. And Wall Street's loving that here. So markets are climbing on that news. Trump just held a press conference showing the rapid Abbott Labs test. That got a little pop there after he was talking about Abbott Labs doing the testing, the rapid testing. So we got a nice climb on Abbott. And if you take a look here, Abbott, we did a trade idea on this. I think we could see 110 a share by November 20th Expo on Abbott Labs. So nice opportunity. The stock's still climbing. You can still see that climbing here after hours. So looking good on Abbott Labs here. And we had a heck of a day, guys. Locked in about $1,400 profits throughout the trades, and really looking forward to tomorrow and seeing what's happening. So great day today, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a safe night. God bless, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care.